What's up, guys? So, as you all know, I've been working on my business, and I decided to do something for shits and giggles just to see how it goes. And so, got a box here. Tell me what you guys think. I'm doing the unboxing. Let's hope this works out and I don't fucking stab myself on camera. There we go. We'll just use the wall. All right, enough of that. So, my goal for myself and hopefully my future employees is to look pretty professional, more professional than, you know, what I think most people probably do. So, this is going to actually be part of the uniform. So, yeah. Doing the same style that I normally do, the flat bill snapback. So here it is. I'm stoked. I can't believe it. I may have a new favorite hat, which I'm sure some people watching this video will probably be like, thank God. But yeah, so here it is. I hope you guys like it, and hopefully I can maybe start a store or something with it. I don't know, we'll see. But I'm just happy that I have my own company hat. So hope you guys enjoy it, and thanks for watching.